guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I created this double winged liner look with the green one on the bottom and a sparkly golden liner on top. And I thought this look is very easy to create and totally appropriate for the party season. And I've not used any foundation for this look, no contouring. It is a very basic and easy to do look which anyone can carry. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, and now let's get started. So I'm starting off by moisturizing my face, and since it's winters the skin dries down a lot and needs extra care, and this one is very hydrating, especially for oily skin people. It does not add extra shine to the face but still leaves your skin hydrated and moisturized. Just patting it into my skin. I'm also applying some extra on my under eye area as I'll be applying concealer, and it would ensure that my concealer blends in smoothly and there are no dry patches under my eyes. I'm using a concealer lighter than my skin tone and applying 3 dots like so under my eyes, and with my ring finger I will be blending it in, also spreading it on my eyelids and ensuring that everything is well blended and there are no harsh edges. This concealer gives me a pretty good coverage and conceals all the dark circles around my eyes, and I love the outcome. For the rest of my face, I'm using a compact to give some coverage. Using a big fluffy brush, I'm just dusting it all over, especially around my nose because it gets really oily there. Using my finger, I'm just smoothing any creases that have formed, and I'm dabbing the same compact over my concealed areas to set them. If you have dry skin, you can exchange the compact with the BB cream as well. Time to do my brows, and if you want to know in detail how I do my brows, I already have a video on it. I'll link it in the description box below. You can just see it. I'm just defining and filling in my brows here. Eyebrows are a game changer, guys. I always tell you, good made eyebrows can make a lot of difference. Also, I'll link all the products used in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now coming to the liner part, I'm taking this colored liner and starting by drawing a wing and extending it just long enough. You can draw a wing as per your preference, short, long, bold, thin, as you like it. I'm just filling it in and joining the wing with the liner on my lid, and just drawing a fine thin line in the starting and connecting it to the wing. Next, I'm using a golden glitter liner and drawing a thin line just above my green eyeliner like so, and I'm being very precise and using short strokes. I want the gold to stand out, so I will be going for a thicker line, and I'm just thickening the gold liner and keeping it thick in the center and thin as it goes out towards the wing. Drawing a thick line on the starting as well and connecting it to the center, just making some final touches, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Now using a warm orange shade and putting it onto my lower lash line and smudging it really well. I just felt the need to add some color to my lower lash line. You can totally avoid this step if you don't want to. I'm just blending in all the harsh edges. Next, taking the shimmery white gold shade and putting it onto the inner corners of my eyes and adding a slightly darker brown shade on the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm really blending it in with the previous shade. Using an eyelash curler, I'm just curling my lashes and taking my favorite mascara and applying it onto my lashes to give them volume and length and just curl them up more. I just love the effect of this, and I'm also applying it to my lower lashes. Applying loads of blush to give my cheeks that naturally flushed look, and I just love applying loads of blush all over my face, including my chin, nose and forehead. For lips, I'm going in with the creamy lipstick, and this one is such a gorgeous nude brown shade. I'm just smudging the edges of my lower lip. I don't know, I just love doing it. It gives it a soft look, which I love. I was missing some highlighter, so just dabbing the slightest amount of it around my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose, and that's it. And this completes my look, guys. I just love how it turned out and so easy to do. Like any liner combination, you can just layer it up and create this gorgeous stunning look. Totally appropriate for the party season. It would not take a lot of time, but still look that you've put in some effort. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. Also share it with your friends and I'll see you next time. Bye.